Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic Revolution case designed for iPad 10.2 inches 9th generation case. So this is a full body rugged shock proof protective cover with kickstand built-in screen protector. So this is black in color, instructions how to use this one or how to install this particular case. So let me just take out this all the protective layers and the covering so I can show you the case. So usually it's a better thing to use the case so that when your kids use it or something and by accident you make it fall, it's still protected. So all the ports and everything is there. So let me just take this out. So this is the kickstand that I can show you later on also with the iPad inside. So overall this is very protective with a front PC case, built-in screen protector, and then in the back with the kickstand. So it's a PC plus TPU back with a reinforced back case. So let me just, this is a screen protector with a front PC case. So let me just put my iPad inside it. So this will lock in. So you have this thing and just put this here in this back case. So this impact resistant bumper, it also have it, so lock it properly. And once this is all set, you can see that it becomes a really very protective iPad case with a built-in screen protector. All ports and buttons are working fine, charging everything is looks fine. The camera and stuff is all really cut well. There is no issue with any hindrance with these cuts. And this is the charging port with the dust cover, all the sides and things with this kickstand. So overall this is a 360 like protection of the iPad with the kickstand to use it really well, and then you can just protect this iPad and use it the way you want.